Hello students. Today I'm going to start third chapter of your book Movement, and the name of the chapter is Ishwaran the Storyteller. The writer of this chapter is R.K. Lakshman. This chapter is about a man called Mahendra. He used to work to some places. He was a junior supervisor. That's why he had to go from one place to another for his work. At one place, what happens with him that make him scared and he left the place, you will know in this chapter. The introduction of chapter is: one night, Mahendra woke up from his sleep and saw a dark, cloudy form. One night, while Mahendra was sleeping, he saw a he woke up from his sleep and saw a dark, cloudy form. He breaks out into a cold sweat. He breaks out with cold sweat, and what happens then you will know in this chapter. This story was narrated to Ganesh by a young man, and his name was Mahendra. Okay, means Mahendra told this story to a man and his name was Ganesh. Mahendra was a junior supervisor in a firm. Firm means we can call it company, and that company used to send supervisors for various work sites like factories, bridges, dam, and many others. Means the work of the factory was, if someone wants to hire the supervisors to look after the workplace, the company used to give these workers. Mahindra also worked in this type of company, and his job was to keep an eye on the activities at the work site. Means he had to take care of if the workers at the work site are working properly or not. He used to supervise them, and for that purpose, he had to move from one place to another every now and then, means every time. Most of the time, sometime he will stay at one place, and just after few days or month, he had to go another place also, as he was ordered by his head office. Sometime, if he is working at a coal mining place, then he would be sent to railway bridge construction site. And from there, after a few months, he had to go to a chemical plant work site that was coming up somewhere else. It means we can say his job was not to stay at one place. He had to move from one place to another, and that's why he was staying sometime one place and then to the other. Now we will know some more about Mahendra. He was a bachelor. Bachelor means he was unmarried, and his needs were very simple, and he was able to adjust himself to all kinds of odd conditions. Means his needs were very simple. He was very simple man, and he did not want this thing or that thing. Whatever he was having, he was satisfied with these things only. And he was having one capacity also, one ability also, that wherever he would be sent, he would adjust himself whatever the conditions are. odd conditions means the worst conditions, जो सबसे खराब से भी खराब condition होती हैं, these are called odd conditions. And he was having the ability to adjust himself to all worst conditions. Whether he would be given a house in a ill-equipped circuit house, ill-equipped means facility-less, where there is no facility, ill-equipped circuit house we can call it just a guest house, or makeshift canvas tent. Canvas, as I have told you in third chapter, is very hard material, and sometime he was given a house to live in, and that was a tent. Means he had to stay in tent also for some time, and the tent was made middle of the stone quarry. Stone, you know, stone, patthar, and quarry means where there are so many stones, means from where we get stones. That place is called stone quarry. So sometime he was given a tent house to live in. But one asset he had was his cook. Asset means very important, very useful thing. And that was his cook, Ishwaran. The name of the cook was Ishwaran. The cook was quite attached to Mahendra. The cook Ishwaran was quite attached, means he was having a great affection with Mahendra. He loved Mahendra very much, and he followed Mahendra without any complaint wherever he was posted. Means Ishwaran used to go with Mahendra everywhere wherever he was posted by his company. He cooked for Mahendra, washed his clothes, and chatted away with his master at night. These are the works Ishwaran used to do for Mahendra. Okay. For Mahendra, Ishwaran used to cook food, wash his clothes, and at night he used to chat with him also. Chat means बातचीत करना, talking करना. So both of they used to talk at night also. He could weave out endless stories and anecdotes on varied subjects. Ishwaran was having one more capability, means he was able to weave out means अपने आप बनाना. Endless story means the stories which don't have any end. So Ishwaran used to weave out endless stories, and he used to tell these stories to Mahendra, and sometimes short stories also on varied subjects, different subjects he used to take for his anecdotes and long stories. Now we come to next paragraph. There is one more ability of Ishwaran we would know here. Ishwaran has an amazing capacity to produce vegetables and cooking ingredients seemingly out of nowhere in the middle of desolate landscape with no shops visible for miles around. He was having one more amazing, means surprising ability to produce vegetables and cooking ingredients. Means suppose they had gone somewhere and there is no shop there nearby, but he would immediately arrange vegetables and cooking ingredients wherever they had been posted. Wherever Mahendra had been posted, immediately after reaching there, just after some time, nobody knows from where he used to bring these things, he would immediately produce vegetables and cooking ingredients. In the middle of the desolate landscape means बिल्कुल खाली जगह पर पहुंचे हैं. There is no shop, there is nothing there. Still nobody knew from where he used to produce these vegetables or cooking ingredients. Everywhere, wherever they were going, and he would miraculously conjure up the most delicious dishes made with fresh vegetables within an hour of arriving at the zinc sheet shelter at the new workplace. And suppose they are staying at जिंक शीट शेल्टर में शीट से बना हुआ टीन के नीचे कहीं बैठ के उनको रहने की जगह है. जस्ट विद इन 1 hour he would make very delicious dish made from fresh vegetables. Within an hour means 1 घंटे के अंदर महेंद्रा को ईश्वरन बहुत ही टेस्टी डिशेस मेड फ्रॉम फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स and ingredients he would serve to Mahendra wherever they had been posted. At new workplace also there is nothing there, only there is a zinc sheet shelter. Still he would do this amazingly.